starting coverage this morning with the top global headlines. Detroit automaker Ford Motor delivered a beat in their first quarter earnings, but suspended its 2025 guidance amid an estimated $2.5 billion impact this year from Trump's tariffs. The company, in fact, also expects to offset $1 billion of those costs through remediative measures, as well as volume and pricing expectations for a total impact of $1.5 billion in 2025. The automaker has cited near-term risks impacting production. Additionally, also foresees increase in tariffs going forward.
Absolutely. Moving on, U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent thinks there's a silver lining in the cloud concerning Donald Trump's tariffs, and highlighted that the administration's trade policy aims to level the playing field for American companies and workers. Now, Bessent also highlighted that he broader economic policies, including tax incentives and deregulation. Now, together with tariffs, the Treasury Secretary believes that the value of Trump's policies is greater than the sum of their parts. He also called the U.S. economy anti-fragile and said that there's never a bad time to invest in America.
Then moving on, the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, will stay on as chairman of Berkshire Hathaway after Vice Chairman Greg Abel takes over as Chief Executive Officer. This announcement, of course, comes 2 days after the 94-year-old revealed at the company's annual meeting that he would step down as CEO, ending 6 decades at the helm for the legendary investor. In fact, shares of Berkshire also closed down about 5%, lowering the company's market value by $59 billion to $1.1 trillion as well.
All right, then time now to shift focus to some key macros. Now, U.S. services sector's growth picked up in April, while a measure of prices paid by businesses for materials and services raised to the highest level in more than 2 years, signaling a building up in inflation pressures due to tariffs. Now, economic activity in the services sector has now expanded for the 10th consecutive month.
Moving on, quick look at the geopolitical landscape. Then Israel has launched multiple strikes on Yemen, Lebanon, Syria and Gaza, claiming lives of 54 people. Israeli Prime Minister says that Gaza's more than 2 million people will be moved in a new ground offensive as Israel's total blockade, in fact, on the enclave reaches 65 days. According to the Gaza Media Office, hospitals are just 48 hours away from collapse, and the lives of thousands of sick and wounded are at risk. Netanyahu, in fact, reiterated that the forceful operation is to destroy Hamas and rescue remaining hostages. The IDF, in fact, said that it has attacked sites that it claimed served as a central supply source for the Houthis in the Udaydah port, in fact, in Yemen, following Sunday's airport strike.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.